Yeah.
So you saw what happened?
We saw her fall from halfway down on the pipe.
Okay.
So she was up to the top of that pipe, and then she came down about halfway and literally fell back first on her back.
You heard the thunk, like.
Okay, yeah, we heard the thump.
Hi there.
Our fall. Her key, he threw her keys and phone on top of that building.
Okay. Did you see what happened?
Yeah, she crawled up here.
We didn't see, there must have been a fight before.
No, we didn't see that.
Oh, you didn't see it, but she started crawling up here?
Yes. Knocked off that line. She fell there, the windowsill. She fell maybe halfway to the ground, landed on her
No one
butt.
threw her off?
No. She climbed up on her own will. She tossed her stuff on top of the building. And then I saw him filming her on his phone. Okay. So I came out and I just said, I grabbed Allie. I said, "What are you doing? Are you filming them? Call an ambulance."
Yeah.
And he's like, "No."
On the subject.
So he's in the back of my squad. This is his car.
Okay.
All this shit, we don't really know what happened here.
So I guess she was getting beat up by him before.
She was climbing up the thing.
Okay.
She was climbing up there, and then she fell off. He threw, from what they said, is he threw keys and phone up into that window or something. That's fine.
When you guys got a PBT to find out where she's at? Because she's obviously smells.
What's her name?
Whoever told you for AAA.
What's the first name again? Turn around, face me for me. Put your hands behind your back, please.
Sorry.
That's fine. Just sit still. It's just a beat.
I'm allergic to bees.
Okay,
Sorry.
turn, face me. Face me. Put your hands
Unfortunately
behind
for
your back.
AAA, the card holder has to call.
Sorry, I'm just allergic to bees.
Okay, no problem. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct and criminal damage to property.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
For what?
I'm very serious.
Are you serious?
I just said I was serious.
Why?
Because you broke the car and all that stuff.
He just threw me on the ground.
Okay.
He just punched me in the
Did I
face.
And here's where the emotional temperature skyrockets. She's under arrest for disorderly conduct and criminal damage to property, but immediately flips the narrative, claiming he punched her and threw her to the ground. This is critical. In domestic-related calls, officers are trained to determine a primary aggressor. But right now, they're dealing with conflicting stories, visible damage to property, and clear intoxication. Notice something else? The officer doesn't dismiss her assault claim. He simply says he never told her the other party wouldn't be arrested. That's procedural. They still have to investigate both sides. But from her perspective, it feels like she's the only one being punished. So let me ask you, if you were in her shoes, injured and emotional, would you feel heard in this moment?
Did I tell you he's not getting arrested? Did I tell you that? I never told you that.
They can
Are you
submit it
serious?
after the fact
He's gonna get a
if they
written
want,
statement from
otherwise
you.
they'll leave it off.
He's going to get a written statement from you, okay?
Owner stage no call.
I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm sorry.
Every time
really
I've dealt
am
with
not-
you, you've been drunk and arguing. Every single time. Every time.
Excuse me.
And that's the problem, is you don't even remember.
Can you please not treat me like I'm an idiot? I'm
Okay.
really going through it right now. I really
Okay.
would appreciate you to talk to me
I am not
like
treating you
a
like
human
an idiot.
being.
But I'm just telling you, I've actually dealt with you when you're
Okay.
sober and you're very nice.
Okay, and I am a nice.
But when you're intoxicated, you're
Please just don't talk to me
so
like
go
I'm,
back to the car.
like I'm stupid, okay?
Nothing up there? All right, come on down then. Yes.
Oh, what the hell? Man, this is not okay.
What's your name? I'm going to close it up.
I don't have money to like get my son. My wallet and everything is in my car. Can you grab that at least so I can like bail myself out of jail?
Hang on. Let me just get some information.
How can you prove that I did anything to his vehicle? And it touched him. You threw hands on me. How can you charge me with what you're charging me with right now? Because you have no fucking proof. I'm sorry. But you don't. Hello. I would like to know what I'm being charged with right now.
Disorderly conduct.
Why?
You climbed the side of that building.
That's not, who was I disordering? Besides myself.
Society.
I fucked myself up. I didn't disorder anybody else. I had to go to jail because I climbed inside a building and fell off and fucked myself up. That's why I'm going to jail.
Listen to the frustration in her voice. She's essentially saying, I hurt myself, so why am I being charged? That's a common misunderstanding about disorderly conduct. It's not just about harming others. It's about creating a public disturbance, unsafe conditions, or damage to property. Climbing a building while intoxicated? That can absolutely qualify. The law isn't measuring intent here, it's measuring risk and impact. But emotionally, she sees it differently. She feels like she's being jailed for a mistake that only hurt her. And this is where legal standards and personal perception collide. Do you think the charge fits the behavior? Or is this an overreach?
Disorderly, is this domestic, correct?
No. We don't believe there's any domestic criteria.
I just wanted to make sure.
Not yet until there's a DNA test.
Okay. All right. Good enough then.
Wait a minute. Yeah, I was gonna say they.
No, it's an unborn child. You said you're pregnant, correct?
I don't. There's not going to be something that's used against me. I need to be pregnant. I'm not going to have you guys use that against me. I don't know what we've been arguing about.
Can you tell me what happened? We still don't have a. It sounds like you fell, but I don't know the background of.
We've been arguing.
You were
It's
arguing.
the dude I've been seeing recently. We have been arguing, whatever. We're
What do you
not
guys
in a good
argue?
place.
Okay.
I'm pregnant with this child. As of like today, I just found out.
You found out?
Yeah, I telling him that, and I wish I would have fucking died when I fell in the movie.
That statement changes the tone completely. This isn't just a chaotic argument anymore. This is someone in emotional crisis. She reveals she just found out she's pregnant with his child today. Imagine the emotional weight of that. Arguing, drinking, climbing a building, getting arrested, all within hours of learning you're pregnant. Officers now have an added responsibility. When someone expresses a wish to die, that can trigger mental health protocols. And from a jury's standpoint, statements like that can dramatically shift sympathy. So now we're not just asking who broke what, we're asking what emotional state led to this explosion. Does this feel like criminal intent or emotional collapse?
This is so fucked up.
Your wallet.
It's in my whole purse. It's
In your
the back
purse?
seat of my car.
It's in the back seat? It's in the back. Okay.
I don't-
Would you let me?
It should be. It's in my car.
All right.
No,
I'll-
fucking no. It's in my car. That's how I get my
If you're gonna continue to yell at me, I'm trying to help
I
you.
didn't do anything wrong. I don't understand why I'm going to
Your purse is in the back. You want your wallet. Okay. Let me get it then. Okay. All right. Just sit back.
Hey, man. My name's Officer Delvo. You just call me Bree. Okay. What's your name?
Lemuel?
Lemuel. Do you have a nickname? Because I'm gonna
Lem.
Lem. All right. Because I was gonna let you know I'm gonna butcher this shit out of that.
When you were saying that you were the owner of the property over in West St. Francis and everything?
So you already know
Yeah.
that there's an alcohol issue.
Yeah, you
Okay.
guys were both pretty wasted that day.
All right, man. So walk me through what happened before she started climbing up the pole.
Oh, how
I know-
far back?
Let's just start with
Can I get my phone?
we'll do it. We'll do that in a minute.
She woke me up. I was sleeping in my semi.
Okay.
Blew my phone up. Called me, I don't know, 20, 30 times. Got into my semi because I actually had it unlocked. I was sleeping. And she was sleeping in bed. She told me she was there, whatever, and moved. And I didn't know where she went. So she went on the other side of the semi. I went over there to try to talk to her. Yeah, but she's...
Give me 1 second. Officer Holcomb, I need a 21. Thank you. I'm sorry. Go on, keep going.
She was pretty wasted, so like I didn't want her to drive. Get my phone real quick. It's right there. I'll show you a conversation of how it started.
Okay, let's start with what happened here. So you guys
I got here.
Okay.
She was drunk, and I had concern. It was just out of concern. I know she was pissed, and she was already like whining, right? But I didn't get out of my car. Like she was here. She was trying to get into that business in the bottom there.
Okay. Why was she trying to get in there?
I don't know none of that.
Okay.
But she parked there and she was trying to like going around that building. trying to get in.
Did you toss her keys up there or anything?
She tossed my keys. That's the keys. That car was on.
Okay.
And she took the keys out. She jumped through the window. That window is lowered.
Okay.
She jumped in through it and took the keys, got out, and swung them up there, and then kicked the door, the mirrors, threw everything out.
Okay. And then where's her phone?
Up there. After she did all of that, I took her phone. I was like, if I can't get my keys, you ain't getting your phone. And I threw it up there too.
Okay.
And here's a major turning point. He admits he threw her phone onto the roof, intentionally. That matters. Why? Because that can be viewed as retaliatory behavior and potentially criminal damage or interference. Up until now, he's framed himself as the calm one trying to hold her back. But this admission shows he escalated the situation too. In legal terms, this is mutual combat territory. Two intoxicated adults making terrible decisions in real time. The officers are now trying to determine, was there a physical assault or just chaos fueled by alcohol? And I've got to ask, does throwing someone's phone onto a roof sound like someone de-escalating?
Her phone and her keys are up there.
My keys.
Right. Sorry. So there was an altercation between you guys. Both parties are saying there was an altercation. Explain the altercation to me.
What do you mean?
You told Detective Merstick that there was an altercation between you two. And then she's saying there was an altercation between you two. So explain what the altercation is.
I don't know that word though.
Fight? Argument?
Altercation.
Altercation? Disagreement?
Oh yeah.
Argument?
Well, I was talking to her ex on the phone because she was calling me and calling him, and we've already spoken before.
Okay.
And she got upset that I had him on the phone.
Okay.
So she told me she was good. She was gonna pick up my baby girl and my baby mama and fuck my baby mama and all of that. But I don't mind. That's her drunk. Like
Right.
I was just concerned for her to like.
So she showed up at your semi.
Yes.
And what happened at your semi? Like what happened inside your semi? Did anything happen inside your semi?
No, she just went in and checked that I was there, and then she went outside and kept drinking.
Okay. So how long were you guys at your semi this morning?
I was half asleep.
Okay. You don't know what time that was?
This morning. I mean,
Right,
if I could get my
10.
phone, I could get you a better
Right.
timing.
Don't worry about it.
Because I have a lot of screenshots of the conversation of
Sure.
her saying, telling her you
What
shouldn't be
happened to your
driving.
head? You're bleeding.
I know. I don't know.
What happened?
She was throwing stuff like out of the car.
Okay. All right. And
I
then
think
you.
like one of them bottles of
Okay.
cologne.
Did you hit her at all or anything like that?
I held her back. She that's what she told me the same thing. Like, oh, you don't need to hit me or whatever. But I was holding, like, she's
I
throwing.
haven't even talked to her yet.
I
So,
know, but like she was like throwing stuff at me. So I'm trying
when you
to.
said
I was
you
trying
held her
to.
back. Can you explain that to me? What that looked like? Like, did you?
Like
You were-
distance.
Okay. So you had your hands out like this. Did you grab her wrists or anything like that to hold her back? Did you push her back? Did you use one hand, two hands, closed fist, open
no
fist?
idea.
Okay. Okay. Hang tight here. We're still obviously trying to figure everything out. This is a very chaotic scene. So we're gonna take care of everything and go from there. Is that your dash cam?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that for your truck or for your semi? For the truck? Cool. All right, man. Hang tight here for me, okay?
Yeah.
All right, Lem, come on out. Put your hands behind your back. At this point, you're just being arrested for disorderly conduct, okay?
But I wasn't screaming or anything.
Clasp your hands and move, step forward. Unclasp. Okay, anything on you at all? Okay. Yeah.
Chief, makes me primary on the Bumblebee call. Affirmative. And then the call from Nicolay Townhomes, I think, just got hung up. Can I clear that out? I need to
How could I?
notes in it. Let me do that real quick and then you take the
I was trying to get a situation under control. Why am I being detained or arrested for that?
Because of the whole situation.
But I didn't cause it.
We tried to get a written statement. You have chosen not to. So you can Explain yourself in court. Everything else we're getting, come on. Everything else we're getting is, spread your feet for me. Everything else we're getting is you were involved in a pushing match with her.
This is where the officers land. A pushing match. Not a confirmed punch. Not a clear primary aggressor for domestic battery. Just mutual disorderly conduct. And that's often how these volatile scenes resolve when evidence is murky and both parties are intoxicated. The key phrase here is, you can explain yourself in court. That means officers believe they have probable cause for disorderly conduct, but not enough clarity for something more serious like felony assault. Also notice, when asked about the pregnancy, he says he's never heard that before. If true, that's another emotional grenade dropped into an already explosive situation. 2 arrests, no domestic enhancement, a disputed pregnancy, and a lot of unanswered questions.
Let's see. Is it true that she's pregnant with your kid? That's what she's telling us.
I've never heard that.
Okay. Watch your knee. I'm going to shut this, okay?
Yeah.
Let's break this down professionally. Officers responded to a chaotic scene involving alleged property damage, public disturbance, and a physical altercation between 2 intoxicated individuals. Both parties were ultimately arrested for disorderly conduct, not domestic violence, due to conflicting statements and lack of clear primary aggressor evidence. Key factors included the building climb, damage to the vehicle, the admission of throwing personal property onto the roof, and statements indicating a pushing match. Emotionally, this case highlights how alcohol, unresolved relationship tension, and shocking news, like a pregnancy, can escalate minor disputes into criminal incidents within minutes. Legally, it's a reminder that disorderly conduct charges don't require malicious intent, just behavior that disrupts public order or safety. Now I want to hear from you. Who do you think handled this worse? Were the arrests justified? And should this have been treated as domestic violence? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.